Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Trisha Gupta and today I'm going to swatch and review Mars Cosmetics newest launch, their Obsessed lip glosses, and I have 5 shades with me that I'm gonna try today. I'm very excited. So saying that, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like, and personally I really like the packaging. It's so pretty. Normal applicator, nothing special. It has slight bit of that fruity lipstick kind of fragrance. The first shade that I'm swatching is called 01 All Mine. The formula feels slight bit thicker than normal lip glosses, but it's very pigmented. Look at that pigment. Here's a quick side by side comparison. It's very pigment. It's giving me one swipe pigment. Yeah, one swipe pigment. I will say it's not super glossy. As you can see, it's giving me that wet sheen look. It's not your juicy glossy look, but just look at that pretty brown shade. It's a neutral warm brown shade. It's not super warm, not super neutral. One tip, don't apply multiple layers or it will start looking like this. Honestly, you don't even need multiple layers. It's that pigmented, but 1 or 2 layers are more than enough. Now obviously, as it's a gloss, it's not gonna be transfer proof. It transfers very easily, but it's very pigmented, so I have still some pigment left. The next shade that I'm trying is called 02 Glass Kiss. I am very confused how to describe this shade. It's like pink mixed with peachy undertones, but it's not super peachy, it's not super pink. So hope it's making sense. Now let's talk about the formula. The formula is very comfortable to wear. It's non-drying. Everything about the formula is good. It's a bit thicker side way. But look at that beautiful shade. It's more pinkish side pay. I do get a hint of that peachy undertone, but it's more on that pink. I feel it's a very subtle pink. It's not super nude, but it's not super bright either. I really like this shade. It's so pretty, and personally I think it's a neutral girl friendly shade. Now the next shade that I have is called 04 Girlhood. It's a very pretty orangish brown shade on me. कुछ लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कमेंट्स में कि ये आफ्टर टेंट छोड़ता है कि नहीं. लेट मी क्लियर दैट इसमें कोई आफ्टर टेंट नहीं है. वंस यू रिमूव दिस प्रोडक्ट ना, कोई टेंट नहीं रहेगा. मे बी समटाइम्स जो होता है प्रोडक्ट आपका लिप एब्सॉर्ब कर लेता है एंड योर लिप्स लुक अ बिट टिंटेड, बट इट्स नॉट अ टिंटेड प्रोडक्ट. Now look at that beautiful orangish brown shade. It's very warm, it's very orangish. I will say अगर आप मुझसे थोड़े shades deeper हो, एक या दो, तो ये आप पे nude shade भी लग सकता है. But it's a very bright orangish brown shade. It's really pretty. If you have warm undertone, you will really like it. If you want my skin tone information for reference, I am 220 in Maybelline foundation. In winters, I do get lighter. I'm a medium fair girly with neutral undertone, but my skin has a yellow tint to it. So both neutral and warm shades look good on me. Now my personal favorite shade is 05 Main Character. Girls, run to buy this shade. It's so pretty. If you are around my skin tone now, you will love it. I have a feeling that this shade will go viral, especially if you're fair to medium fair skin tone. Look at that. It's like my lips but better kind of shade. It's a very pretty mauvish pinkish shade. It's muted, it's mauvish. Just look at it. This shade is subtle and beautiful. I will say it has a neutral undertone. It's a mauve pink shade and it's muted. Currently I'm very obsessed with shades like this and I really like it. I think this will suit fair to medium skin tones, but if you are like on that darker side of medium, I am not sure if this will suit you or not. But it's a very pretty shade. For some reason it looks like my lips, but बेटर और थोड़ा समझ में आता है. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी नेचुरल लुकिंग लिप ग्लॉस. व्हेन यू अप्लाई दिस पीपल विल गेट कि आपने कुछ लगाया है, बट इट्स सो प्रिटी. आई पर्सनली रियली लाइक दिस शेड, एंड अगर ऐसा एक रेगुलर ग्लॉस फॉर्मूला में भी आएगा तो आई विल लव इट. Now the last shade that I have is called 07 Daydreamer. It's a very pretty bright pink shade. I want to clear one more thing. जो formula है, it's not super natural looking formula. People will look at you and they will be able to say कि आपने कुछ लगाया है अपने lips पे, because it's very thick, very pigmented. It's not your natural looking formula in my personal opinion. Other than that, the formula itself is really good and comfortable to wear, and the shade range is really good. Now look at that shade. This shade is not my personal type. It's a very bright pink shade with a hint of red. It's a very bright pink shade, थोड़ा सा वो चटक पिंक वाले साइड पे है. It's pretty and everything. Not my type, but I know कि ये pretty shade है and कुछ लोगों पे ये बहुत ही प्यारा लगेगा. दे हैव मोर शेड्स अवेलेबल. मैंने सारे शेड्स नहीं लिए थे. आई थिंक दे हैव लाइक 8 or 9 शेड्स. दे हैव मोर डीपर डार्कर शेड्स. चेक देम आउट. Here's my final review of this product. So the formula is very pigmented, no doubt, but it's not super glossy. Like for example, right now I have a clear lip gloss on and it's a glossy finish. This is what glossy finish looks like. But when it comes to this product, it's not super glossy. It's giving me a wet sheen, but it's not super glossy, but it's very pigmented. This is really good if you have pigmented lips and you want something जिसमें आपको लिपस्टिक एंड ऑल सेपरेटली ना लगाना पड़े, बिकॉज दिस इज सो पिगमेंटेड कि आपको लिपस्टिक की नीड ही नहीं होगी. I will point out one thing, as it's a bit thicker side वाला formula. It's not like super liquidy, it's a bit thick. तो आप अगर ज़्यादा layers लगाते हो ना, तो I don't have a proper word for this, but ऐसा होने लगता है. And I will say it's not uncomfortable or sticky or anything, but just कि ये थोड़ा thick है तो आप ज़्यादा layers ना लगाएं. And as it's pigmented, एक and दो layers is more than enough. You won't even need multiple layers. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्टेइंग पावर. टू चेक द स्टेइंग पावर मैं इसे एक हफ्ते से ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि मैं आपको अपना ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन दे सकूं. एंड हियर्स माय ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन. ऑनेस्टली नॉर्मल लिप ग्लॉसेस से ज़्यादा स्टेइंग पावर है इसकी, नो डाउट. एज इट्स पिगमेंटेड ये स्टे करता है, बट एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स अ लिप ग्लॉस. इट विल ट्रांसफर. ये एक लिप ग्लॉस जैसा ही परफॉर्म करेगा. अगर आप कुछ खाओगे तो आपको इसे वापस लगाना ही पड़ेगा. इट वोंट सर्वाइव अ मील. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू आर अ लिपस्टिक ईटर तो हो सकता है ये कम स्टे करे. Depends on what you are looking for. If you want a pigmented lip gloss, this is your thing. This is pigmented. The shade range is really nice. The formula is good. But if you want something more glossy, I will tell you this is not gonna be your thing. Won't give you that juicy glossy effect. But the product is really nice, very pigmented. I think two-tone lips girlies and pigmented lip girlies will really like it. I personally really like the shade range. Personally, my favorite shade is 05. It's such a pretty mauvish pink shade on me. I really like it. I think the product is good. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.